Hello guys, I hope you all are fine. I am starting another tutorial series in English specifically for those audience who has requested me to start tutoring in English. I will try my best to explain the concepts as much in detail as I can. Okay, starting from the first query. If I go here, I can clearly see it is not in English. To verify this thing, if I try to translate it, it is clearly shown in Spanish. So there is no other option other than non-English. Simply you have to mark each and every query that is neither in English or in another language, any other language. Okay. Next one is speakers Bluetooth wireless. So here all the three characteristics explained are required in the query. First one is speaker Bluetooth and wireless. So here you can see wireless Bluetooth speakers. So all the aspects are covered in this session. So it is exact. Okay, Verity drones. Okay, I must say one thing, that you can only win this task only and only if you can understand the query. So here are some tips. You can install any chat GPT extension to understand query easily. Here, Verity Drones is a company specialized in the development and manufacturing of unmanned aerial vehicles. So it's about a company that manufactures drones. So here, drones are there, but this is from possibly, I think, exactly from another company. Surely from another company. So it is clearly not the same thing. But since user is asking about drones, he needs drones for this time, and we are presenting him drone but from another company, so this would be alternate option to his intent. Next, paint by number Disney characters. So paint by number Disney character kits for kids, adults, beginners. These are paint by number kits where adults or even kids can join the number and ultimately draw a diagram and then color it. So let's say what the website says. Oh, the website is 404 error. Simply go for content display issue. If I try to explain more, here you can see anything, any error code, especially page not available, is simply marked content display issue. Okay, so it is content display issue. Okay, Unicell para, again I can see it doesn't seems to be in English. Oh, here you can see it is in Spanish. So simply not non-English. Now fly mask. Again, first we'll try to understand the query fly mask. Okay, it's something related to horses to make them comfort. A fly mask is a protective covering designed for horses. Okay, fly mask with ears. This is the exact same thing. So I'll rate it exact. Wall art. It's a pretty vague query. You can see here that lot of things comes under this query. Anything related to wall art. But here you can say this is neither a wall art, pattern child friendly seg, so it is not relevant. I must say this must be related to ground art. And this query again doesn't seems to be in English. Listen to the inspector. Vietnamese. It's Vietnamese query. Okay, mark it in non-English. Next, feather. Okay, Okay, he needs feather, and I think this query is ambiguous also, but it is only asking for feather. I We don't know whether it is a request to buy feather or he wants to know about feather, but in this case we can see these are feathers, 2 per bag, so we have nothing but exact. The traditional progesterone prevents pregnancy. Okay. Okay, some birth control pills are required here, you can see. That is entirely another thing, not relevant. Pretty simple task this one must be. Bloom planners. Bloom Planners. Bloom Planner is a company that specializes in creating planner and an organizational tool designed to help individuals stay focused, productive, and inspired. Okay, planners and organizational tools. Yep, these are basically related to office management, or you can say that day-to-day planning things, planning events, or something like this. So that company specifically, Bloom Daily Planners from Bloom Daily Planner store. So if I say this one is name of company Bloom Planners, yes, this one is name of company, and here the same planner is from the same company. Here you can say Bloom Daily Planners, but I am still not sure that either Bloom Daily Planner and Bloom Planners are same. So I will re-verify it. Bloom Planner. Even Amazon don't has specific results. I must rate it a close match because it is related to a brand. But maybe he's asking for a planner. So again, I will revisit the page. It is actually a planner, daily planner from Bloom. So I think I must rate it exact because it goes in the both way. Milk frother. Oh, it is a kitchen device. Let's see. No, it is not milk frother. It is not relevant. Then again, Macy's is the famous brand. If you don't know about it, you can say it here. It's a company, independent store chain found, so it's pretty old chain. And here it is Massey. You can see Macy's. So if it is related to brand, so if I go for brand like thing, I'll make sure in future that I will rate. After rating, I must show the exact reason behind my selection. Okay, queries with brand. A brand is a company, side person, team, brand, or entity that produces, sells, or associated with the product. Okay, from this line, you can say that if any query related to brand, if ad landing page shows a product from the curate brand, choose the close match. So he's asking for a brand, and we are showing him the brand page. So that one is close match. Okay, guys, I'm ending here. Thank you for staying with me. Okay, I'm uploading the next tutorial as well today. Please stay tuned.